Okay, so we're doing this one? Okay. Y prime. Shall we use a quotient rule? Use a quotient rule. So what do? We keep x plus y. Differentiate x. Minus keep x. Differentiate x plus y. All over. Now remember, what you want to do is you want to isolate y prime, right? That's your goal. Cross multiply. So you get x plus y, quantity squared, y prime equals x plus y minus xy prime. Okay, I'll pause here for a minute. Everybody caught up on this? Okay, just take it. So now you want to bring all the y primes on one side. And then I'm going to skip a step here and you guys catch up with me. What do we do? Carmen? This is what I want. Sorry? Exactly. Divide by what's in the brackets. Right? It's like if you had 3x equals 7, what is x equal to? 7 over 3? So it's the same kind of thing, except it's got expressions in there. Question? Okay, so that was number 10. All right, you guys okay on that? All right. Okay, so you need to turn your work in that bin, please. Doing implicit differentiation, but using higher order derivatives, okay? And you had a problem like this, except it wasn't implicit yesterday. d2y by dx squared, and a lot of people didn't know what that was. I take it everybody knows what d2y by dx squared means now because you had it on the gallery walk yesterday. Okay, it means the second derivative. Okay, the second order derivative. So you do it once and then you do it over again. Okay, differentiate once and then differentiate it again. So you guys should be able to do the first derivative, right? So guys, help me out. What do you get? You get y, keep y, differentiate x, plus keep x, differentiate y. Derivative on the right hand side, 0. Isolate y prime, negative y over x. Yeah. Is everybody okay there? Yes? And now you're going to do it one more time. You do it one more time. So y double prime, use the quotient rule. I'm going to stick the negative sign outside, okay, because I don't want to kind of carry it with me. So I'll keep it outside. So you're going to keep x and differentiate y. What do you get? Nice, good job. Minus, you're going to keep y, differentiate the bottom. Differentiate the bottom. 1. Is everybody there? Yes? All over x squared. So this is minus. Can I replace y prime with this stuff here? Okay? So I'll have minus y over x minus y all over x squared. What do I get on the top? Sorry? Negative 2y. Is everybody there? The x's cancel. And you get negative 2y. There's a negative sign here, okay? Outside. Don't forget that. So then this guy becomes 2y over x squared. So you can see that the rules are no different from doing the first derivative. They're the same rules. You're going to do it twice over. That's it. Yeah?
Can you also substitute negative y over x with negative 1 over x squared?
Huh? What?
x, y, when you do it explicitly, it becomes a negative 1 right square.
Oh, you mean take this y out of here and put it in here?
So y prime is negative y over x, right?
Yes.
And then you substitute the y with the 1 over x.
You could. So then this will become negative 2 over x cubed. You could.
So either way is correct.
Yes, either way is correct. If I tell you explicitly that I want the answers only in terms of x, then you'd have to do what you are asking me to do. Do you see what I'm saying? If I tell you I want the answer in terms of x only, see how there's a y here? That would not work, right? If I told you that I want it in terms of x only, then you'd have to do what you are suggesting.
So for now, either way is correct, right?
Well, okay. If I tell you I want it only in terms of x, then you've got to replace y with 1 over x. If I don't tell you, then either way would be okay. Yeah. Okay? All right. Is everybody okay on that? Sorry? Is it okay? What? Everybody okay on that? Question, Henry.
What do you mean by, what's the dx?
Notation, notation, location, notation.
Differentiate with respect to x.
Twice. Okay. Page 125. Page 125 in your book. Notation, notation, notation. You've been there, done that. Okay? All right. Last problem you shall attempt and you shall sweat. For this problem here, don't worry about replacing y prime by the original y prime that you find, because it's not going to help you out. So what I want is I want y prime on the y double prime on the left hand side, and then everything else on the right hand side. And what's on the right hand side? You will have an x, you'll have a y, and you'll have a y prime. Okay, you have these three. Yeah, because there's no way you're going to make this any more beautiful than than what you get there. So this is not beautifiable. It's like me.